makeup box and it's quite dirty right now, but it's okay. So I restocked on my color corrector and my concealer because like they got over. But anyways, so okay. So first step, I use the color corrector by Bobbi Brown, and this is like the best color corrector to ever exist. Like it's amazing. Like it's just like hides everything on your face so perfectly. So first I'm gonna apply that and then I'll go in with the concealer. Oh wait, also I prepped my skin before, so I washed my face, put some cream and sunscreen, a lot of sunscreen actually. Then I put Vaseline on my lips, on a little bit of my eyebrows and under my eyes. So it's, you know, it's like a primer, not really a primer, but it's, you know, it just keeps my skin hydrated. So now I'll start the makeup. So this, I've just applied the color corrector. Now I'm gonna just like blend it in with my hands because I feel like a sponge always is like so dirty and everything. So my mom's like it's more hygienic to use your hands. So I'll just like blend it out like this. So the good part about these products which I use is it's basically they're acne friendly. So whenever I used to get acne and everything, so my doctor was like use products which, you know, which don't like release more oil and which can make your skin more oily. So these products are like really good for that. And especially when I'm on Accutane, it just dries up my skin even more. So these products are like perfect for it. They never itch my face, they never cause me more breakouts. Yeah, that is how my face looks now. Like if you see the difference, you can probably see it, and it's really nice. I so basically I don't use a foundation because I feel like foundation's gonna make my face look really cakey as well. So I just use a color corrector and then I apply the concealer mostly everywhere on my face so that, you know, it's just more easier as well. Perfecto. Now it's time for the concealer. Oh, the concealer I use is the MAC 24-hour lasting one, if you can see. That is how I look with concealer. I look so funny. That is so funny. Okay, anyways, I let my concealer sit, and while that is sitting, I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. brow gel. If you, yeah, you can see that. Okay. Now this has gotten over, so I have to like restock with this as well. Also, I got my eyebrows made yesterday, so they look so nice. You know, I learned this hack that if you let your concealer sit, it just covers your face better. So I always let mine sit for a bit. Now I'll start blending it in, but then the eyes would be all. Now that is done, we'll be going in with the bronzer. So this is the Too Faced bronzer, if you can see. So I'll be going in with that, and it smells delicious. It smells amazing. So I did my nose as well. It just looks so much more thinner. Okay, perfect. Okay, you guys. So now okay, you guys. So now I'm done with the bronzer. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush. So the blush I use is by MAC again, and I'm just gonna use like a tiny brush for it. I'm just gonna like stroke it on my cheeks. I have blush blindness. I always apply too much blush. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna apply a bit less only because then I don't want it to look extra when we're outside. Because it always looks more in the sun. So I just don't want to put it today. Oh no, so much closer to my eye. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on my nose. Oh, I think I did too much red. Oh, I think it's okay. It's okay. Now we're gonna go in with the highlighter. I use the MAC highlighter, and it's a pain to open sometimes. Not sometimes, almost every time. Okay. Look at that. Oh, so much fun. I'm gonna go on the cheeks, then go on that cheek, then go on the nose, then go on this nose, set. Now it's time for my eyes. For my eyes, I use the Clinique High Impact Shadow Plus Definer. I don't know how to show this, but I hope it works. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this, just like put it like that, and just close my eyes and put a little bit, and then smudge it with my fingers. Okay? You saw what I did there. I don't know if you saw it or not. Okay. Okay, perfecto. Okay, so now my eyes is done as well, but difference. Okay. Now the mascara I'll be using. See, this is the best mascara I have. Wait. Yeah, but I don't want to like waste it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've not used this in so long. I'm so like that towards it that I don't even use it. I'm stupid. Get me help. But I'm gonna use this one, the super curl one, hyper curl one, and we're just gonna put it. Eyelashes. So pretty. A little bit niche, a little bit on the sides. Okay, that looks funny. No, get out. Okay. Okay, this is better. And a little bit down. Like really little. Okay. Okay, now my. Okay, you guys, so now I'm done with everything. Now the only thing that is left is just putting my setting powder. Again, this is by Too Faced, and we're just gonna go in with this so that I don't get like those creasy lines under my eyes. Oops. So over here, then some over here, then some over here as well. I'll just put more on the eyes. don't know why, but I feel like it's just gonna. Okay, so when I do my lips, I always first put Vaseline because I don't want it to be like really dry. So the first layer is always of Vaseline, like always, so that you know it just like doesn't dry up and make my lips look weird as well, because all these glosses are like extremely thick and they just make my lips look weird. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is my final look and I hope you liked it. Now we're just gonna put the setting spray in and we're just gonna wear the dress, and yeah.